Welcoming Sai Sudarshan to the Bombay Journey Chennai edition.
24 कैरेट भरा सोना है ये खिलाड़ी
நீ எங்கோ போனதும் ஒரே ஞாபகம். Whenever I play these songs in the car, my mom will be like, why are you playing love songs? I was very short and stout. You will just get stunned if I show my old picture. I always loved playing against CSK. So what had happened when we reached the ground, there was severe rain. We waited. Match got cancelled. Sir, one mini, one black. After you getting the coffee, the important thing you have to do is this. So the taste lies under that foam.
You tell him we'll come back
Cup,
and get the cup.
no. Tomorrow I'll give.
Arey, you that's
Yesterday
regular.
cup also I took. You once in a while, 15 days once, 10 days once. Please don't eat it every day.
ऐसा लफड़ा जो on ground होता है. What did you tell him? चेपॉक की गलियों से लेकर नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम के मैदान तक, सीएसके एकेडमी के एक छोटे से लड़के से लेकर टीम इंडिया के ओपनर तक, साई सुदर्शन का सफर पेशेंस और क्लास की कहानी है. आज हम इनकी इसी जर्नी को थोड़ा और करीब से समझने निकले हैं और इस जर्नी को इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग बनाएगी हमारी Hyundai Creta इलेक्ट्रिक, अनडिस्प्यूटेड अल्टीमेट, नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक. मुग्गू पे ध्यान से, हाँ, पैर मत रखना. जितने साउथ इंडियन देख रहे हैं उनको पता है. Hey
Oh,
man,
hi,
good
Siddharth,
morning,
what's
how
up?
are you?
Our family is a very religious and a spiritual family. So
Okay.
this is one, it's called Murugan, this is called Shivan. It's just,
Oh, namaskaram, man.
no.
So,
Just God.
How do you say when two friends meet in Chennai? What do they say?
Wow, machi.
Wow, machi.
Yeah.
Wow, machi.
How are you?
Very good, bro. I was told by Kubra said that in the south when you have a fight, you don't like abuse. First you have to do rai.
You just have to use your
Yeah.
face expression is more than enough.
Show us, bro, how you get angry.
I never get angry.
Really?
Yeah. Like
Are you
very,
a jolly person?
very, very jolly person.
देखिए लड़कियों, आपको ये ऑडिशन मिल रहा है भाई का. आप कमेंट्स में लिख सकती हैं कि आपको ऐसा लगता है.
आप ही बोल दिया भाई, उसके बाद कैसे मिल सकेगा, कैसे कमेंट में डालेगा?
नहीं. I mean, I'm saying that they will say good things, no, now.
Of course.
No, it should not just be me, but tell me what is happening here. What is this?
So this was given as a gift to me, like a very close family friend of mine from 10 years, from 11 years, or even earlier. He used to repair all my bats.
Beautiful,
so
bro.
I just thought I'll keep
नहीं,
it.
you can tell us. बता दो इस दिन की कहानी बता दो. ये chase crazy रहा.
So what had happened when we reached the ground? There was rain, like
Correct.
severe rain. We waited. Match got cancelled that
Yes,
day.
I know,
So we
yeah.
had gone back. The hype of the final had slowly gone down.
Correct.
In my mind, internally. So where it was my first IPL final, and I'd be a part of the IPL final, but I didn't play that game the last year. So this year I played the game, and I think it was blessing in disguise. The next day when I came, it was felt like yet another game. It didn't feel so special for me, but yet it became very special at the end.
I mean, how do you choose between these two faces? Because you were a delight, like Master says right here. You were a treat to the eye. आप लोग सच बताना comments में. Were you looking at my ear or were you looking at Sai over here? Because this is a crazy one.
It's actually very difficult picture. It's one of my favorite pictures.
Yeah.
Where I've always wanted to share the ground or the dressing room with him, but I got an opportunity to play with him and experience his energy and the way he looks at the sport. So it is always very special meeting him every IPL and talking about cricket for a few minutes. So this is my first ever bat I've ever played in my life.
It's very light, huh?
It's very small also. It's
Correct. आप भी तो small.
Yeah. So it was a tennis ball bat. So this was actually has a very interesting story to it. This bat is my first ever English willow bat.
Wow.
And I played with this for a very long time and put it in like a box and
bro.
keep it in as a memento. This bat has a very interesting story behind, because this bat is Dilshan's bat.
What?
Yes. And
It's a small, bro. It's not
yeah,
very
so
big.
I was about to tell you that.
Yeah.
So we had a thing. Whenever we get bats from bigger, greater players, we cannot use because I was very short. So what we used to do is we used to cut the bat. So we'll cut it into half and we'll use it to our size. I was very short and stout. You will just get stunned if I show my old picture. You want to see that?
यस ब्रो,
Oh my God.
यही चीजें होती हैं, इसीलिए शायद हम लोग गेट क्रैश करते हैं घर, ताकि हमें पता चले। बट यार ये कितनी सुंदर चीज है, देखो
Yeah.
बचा के भी रखा है आपने, वो भी बहुत अच्छी बात
Yes.
है। ओ ब्रो, दिस इज यू।
Like proper
भाई लोग ये देखो, ये इधर ये देखिए आप लोग,
stout, round and short.
अंडर 19 में यही हुआ था
नहीं
क्या?
नहीं नहीं, under 19 नहीं। ये under
मतलब
19 बहुत।
ये कब तक चला, क्योंकि एक बीच में जिंदगी में
14
फिटनेस वाला क्वेश्चन आया ना।
Yeah, 40. It was when I was 14, but बीच में actually a situation came where I had to do a hernia surgery. Then it hit me really hard.
That must be painful, no?
Yeah, it was painful at that time. I slowly started to understand it's important, but when I was in under 19, when I got dropped from the state side once.
Yeah.
That, like, it was like a proper hit to me, reality hit, where whole journey from I think we were in Dharamshala. No, we were in Tripura. So I was coming back from that whole journey. I was crying, and whole journey, even the airport. The moment I landed in Chennai, that's when when I saw my parents, I was fine. But from then, luckily, it was 31st December. From next day, it was a new year, and everything was new.
कल ही मैंने एक वर्ड सीखा, watershed moment. In life you have a watershed moment. There is before that day and after that day, no?
Wow.
So नया वर्ड मैंने कल सीखा। आप लोगों
That
को
was
बता
my
रहा
watershed moment.
हूँ। Yeah, बस क्या बची।
And I want to show one more, like
Yeah, bro.
the very special thing of my life. It is this.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's slightly dirty. It is the test cap, and it is very
ऑरेंज कैप भी कहीं रखा रहेगा इधर ही।
ऑरेंज कैप अंदर है, वो भी बहुत स्पेशल वाला है। वो उसका मोमेंटो इधर है।
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, it is this.
इसमें विराट भाई बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं भाई, क्या मस्त लगते हैं नहीं?
We have learnt a lot from Virat by the way he's played. Even today, even yesterday when I was talking to my nutritionist, I had this small details of how we used to take his body, how meticulous he is on small things. So
Bro, he's maintained a 500-gram range. Isn't that like impossible to think of? Like,
oh, it's actually your weight keeps on changing a lot.
Exactly,
It's
right?
very you have to be really meticulous and detailed to manage your body like that.
let's go. Let's step into the Hyundai Creta electric that we've got for you.
Yeah.
And continue this conversation.
Yes.
Officially welcoming Sai Sudarshan to the Bombay Journey Chennai edition. मेरे भाई, welcome.
I actually watched Shreyas Bai's interview.
है ना, nice, no?
Yeah.
Shreyas was a fun guy, bro. Full funthru.
Yeah.
मस्त आदमी है वो, मेरे को बहुत मजा आया। The show is presented by the Hyundai Creta Electric,
Yeah.
undisputed ultimate now electric, and saving us because of level 2 ADAS. So it basically recognized that there was a car coming and
Nice. So it had
Auto
foot
brake.
brakes. Okay.
Yeah.
On its own. Lovely.
so where do we head first? Let's get some
So
tiffins.
let's get some South Indian breakfast with good filter coffee.
Perfect.
Then we will head for some chai.
अरे perfect भाई।
सबको मिक्स करेंगे।
आप लेकिन चाय वाले व्यक्ति हो, मैंने सुना है। आप पहले चाय पीते हो फिर कुछ करते हो।
पहले चाय पीता हूँ। अभी क्या चल रहा है? मॉर्निंग कॉफी पी रहा हूँ, इवनिंग चाय पी रहा हूँ।
अच्छा,
ऐसा
ऐसा।
हो गया अभी। Like it's not, and that's because of IPL. I used to spend a lot of time with Shah Rukh Khan in IPL.
वो
He prepares unbelievable filter coffee. That's how I started drinking filter coffee. Now I'm not, everybody, whenever I talk about coffee or chai, they ask me to choose one.
yeah.
No, I don't think I can choose one. I don't
Man,
think I can
it's
choose
such a difficult choice,
coffee
it's
or
like-
chai, because from Chennai, coffee is so good, very
Yeah.
tasty. And from wherever I go to play cricket, chai is really tasty.
What does it take, bro? So I want to understand and सारी दुनिया को मैं बताऊंगा। मैं हिंदी आप लोगों के लिए larger reach के लिए कर रहा हूँ। Otherwise we can fully have this
No,
conversation in English.
I can understand and speak in Hindi. Maybe there's just very
Some things.
slang words I will not understand.
Really?
Yeah, basic stuff I understand.
So Shreyas Iyer funthru है, मैंने बोला तो आपको क्या समझा?
I thought he's a very fun and
Yeah, something like that
go
only.
with the flow guy.
Correct, something like that only.
I understood.
बाकी जितने मुंबई कर देख रहे फुंद्रू का मीनिंग ऑफिशियली नीचे बता दो।
क्या रे?
क्या रे? What kind of sacrifices do parents have to end up doing to kind of build एक इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का क्रिकेटर out of the house?
I think the real essence behind their life changes, and they don't do anything for them. They do everything for the children.
Yeah.
And I still can't remember when my dad had gone and bought clothes for him. I cannot remember. He's always gotten clothes for me, my brother, and my mom. Things like that. I feel it's just it's so much sacrifice.
Yeah.
It's for the family and it's for the children to do well in the future. We can park here. We've almost reached. Anna, coffee na? क्यों?
एकदम बढ़िया पंकज त्रिपाठी साहब जैसे बोले।
सर कॉफी मत आने पंकज सर.
1 black coffee.
ஒரே சார் ஒரு மினி ஒரு பிளாக் ரெண்டுமே சுகர் கிடையாது.
भाई कभी सोचा आपने कि ऐसा जैसे यू नो देयर आर दीज एपिक लाइक पार्टनरशिप्स दैट वी हैव
Okay.
in Indian cricket. If you all got one partnership, it would sound like a food place. Shubh Sudarshan, Shubh Darshan.
The relationship or the strength and bond between us has always grown, you know, multiple folds. And Shubman is like such a kind of a player where you can learn a lot of things from him. And over the years, I've done that with him, and it's been a great, how can I say, experience. And even when we
हेलो सेल्फी
आ जाओ भैया,
साई सुदर्शन सर।
हाँ जी भैया, कैसे हैं?
कौन सी फेवरेट है आपकी इनकी पारी?
सर मुझे पता है सर, इंडिया सीमेंट में ड्यूटी किया था, देखा है।
अच्छा
इंडिया सीमेंट में ड्यूटी कर रहा था, चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स।
अच्छा, बढ़िया।
रिटर्न करके आया।
हाँ, बढ़िया भैया,
ले लो
गुजरात का
ले लो, आ जाओ।
गुजरात का ओपनर बैट्समैन।
आह,
ऑरेंज कैप थोड़ा सा ये हो गया, अभी वैभव सूर्यवंशी आएगा, हाथ से ले गया ऑरेंज कैप।
ruthless. Indian audience is ruthless, bro.
Completely.
एकदम straight, direct.
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू सर।
Bye bye.
बाय भैया, थैंक यू।
He was like तुम बाद में करो इंटरव्यू, पहले विंडो डाउन कर।
But I really enjoy these kind of things because
हक से बोलते भाई।
they're very natural, and they just, it's just blessing and energy is what I feel. And ultimately we are here because of them, you know, love for the sport, the worship
Yeah.
they do for the sport is
It's
just
crazy, no bro.
it's crazy.
अब चालू करते हैं हमारा अल्टीमेट चैलेंज सेगमेंट व्हिच इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय द Hyundai Creta Electric, undisputed ultimate, now electric. Like ultimate memory, because you're talking about Shubman, we have to finish that thread.
Yeah.
Ultimate memory with him.
So the ultimate memory I would say is it was a game against CSK where we both scored a century, and I feel the energy of that game, no, the intensity, the hunger in what we showed up on that game, because that season we were on and off, we were
Yeah.
not at our best. There was even one more. He was my first test captain also.
Yeah.
So that moment when, you know, we had the handshake after I got the cap in the hurdle, and then we got the handshake, it was very special. Yeah.
I love it यार। मेरे को I think I remember a press con when Shubman said अभी उसका ऑरेंज कैप हो गया लेकिन पर्पल कैप भी हो सकता है, रुको अभी।
Come. Hi, good. How are you?
Fine now. Now reported now.
Wang.
You have done a lot of other entries in Bombay as well.
Yes, we are doing the Bombay Journey Chennai edition only right
Oh,
now.
okay. Now, I mean, I'm his father.
Okay.
He's also playing cricket.
Lovely, very nice.
Really, wow, all the best.
Thank you
All the
so much.
दे दो अल्टीमेट टिप फॉर अपकमिंग क्रिकेटर, क्या बोलोगे?
My biggest thing is consistency. So if you keep on doing what you're doing, you will reach where you want to reach.
Okay now. Thanks now.
All the best.
थैंक्स ब्रो, ऑल द बेस्ट। बनाओ भाई आप अब अल्टीमेट हैक टू हाउ टू ड्रिंक अ फिल्टर कॉफी गाइस। दिस इज ए 101।
Yeah, the ultimate thing is because the main prep is to prepare the coffee.
Yeah, bro.
The coffee is already prepared, but the after you getting the coffee, the important thing you have to do is this. So the taste lies under this. We call it Norai that I don't know, foam.
Yeah.
Foam. Yeah, the taste lies under that foam.
तो आप इसको लो।
And this is a thing also. We don't drink in this
Yeah.
cup. We will drink in
Cheers,
this
bro.
cup. Cheers.
हाउ साउथ इंडियन आर यू? हम कॉफी से चीयर्स करते हैं
Very South Indian.
ब्रो। लाइफ वाज ओनली दिस ओनली ब्रो। अल्टीमेट हैप्पीनेस इज मैसूर बोंडा।
Wow.
व्हाट इज योर अल्टीमेट हैप्पीनेस लाइक दैट?
My ultimate happiness like that is a homemade dosa, and there's a tomato gravy which my mom does. It's just my favorite, and it's just number one priority in my life. Food.
घर आते ही पहले वो दो चीजें बन जाती हैं ऐसा?
Yes, दो चीज आज कल रात भी वही किया मैं.
वाह।
Yeah.
मुझे बताओ अल्टीमेट एडवाइस क्या दिया कोई सीनियर प्लेयर ने?
I met Murali Vijay somewhere. I think I met him here only. Actually, I met him in Sangeeta.
What?
Correct. I met him in Sangeeta. He's also a very regular customer here.
हाँ।
He told me Indian cricket, you're playing for the test cricket, is all about you owning it, and it's all about you know, being certain in that place, and you being courageous enough to take decisions in that point. I feel that is one of the greatest advices I've got.
यार आप क्योंकि इतना सॉलिड ठोकते हो तो अल्टीमेट क्रिकेटिंग स्टोरी, इज देयर अ स्विंग दैट यू न्यू दैट ये बॉल सही आया, एकदम लाइन आपके लेंथ सब मस्त गिरा है, अभी मैं मारेगा इसको?
You cannot think like that.
You cannot,
Because
huh?
No chance, because it is very reactive. Everything is very reactive. It's very difficult to think that ये ball इधर आ गया, मैं देख लिया ball को, मैं मारेगा. No chance. You cannot do that. You can explain it later. I can tell that like, yeah, I felt the ball came this way, but it's very difficult for you to even, you know, consciously do things inside
Yeah.
the ground. But I feel that's the fun of it, and that's the uncertainty where we are playing, and it gives us the
But do you have like one ultimate shot that you took that you were like, bro, वो जो भी मैं वो मारा वो तो मुझे पता था, वो कड़क लगा था छक्का.
Yes, slang से मेरे को not that way, but my favorite shot.
I
Like,
get the
अभी
point.
भी ऐसा I will not talk like that because not a lot of things is in your hand.
Fair.
But my beautiful shot, my favorite shot, which I admire a lot, is a cover drive.
Cover
It's
drive.
an extra cover drive, anything which has a drive in it, like straight drive, extra cover drive, shots like that.
Bro, the stance is so important in all of that, no? It's
Yeah,
like
it's very important. The setup
it-
is very
if
important.
you're able to do it beautifully, then sometimes you're just like, wow. कभी ऐसा मजा नहीं आता आपको मारा shot और फिर you're like, wow, यार, I just like, you know, what a beautiful stance.
Yeah, we
you have that,
we
no?
feel a lot. Yeah.
एंड लाइक ऐसा कोई अल्टीमेट फेस ऑफ वाला हुआ था क्या जब सीएसके वर्सेस गुजरात हुआ? क्योंकि आपके लिए ये होम ग्राउंड हो सकता है और वो अभी होम ग्राउंड हो गया है.
ऐसा face off नहीं, but I always loved playing against CSK.
Yeah.
Because it's the team, no? It's the team we've been. When we grow, we were watching CSK play. And
Correct.
I used to run behind me and I used to go behind the bus when they, cross our school and all.
What are you
So-
talking?
Yeah. So our school route had that. So they crossed that.
Wow.
Sometimes. So whenever we used to stand and watch, and we used to go behind the team bus and all. It was like long back, but who can't love CSK?
Yeah, bro. What a team in general. But मुझे तो ये लगता है यार अल्टीमेट दुख होता है कि ऐसा 2 बार फाइनल तक पहुंचने का और फिर वहां से मतलब रिटर्न आने का.
It's very disappointing to lose the final, but I think from where we started and the journey has been really interesting. And
Yeah.
we as a team have gone 3 finals in 5 years and 4 playoffs, which is really great for a team.
That's true. But ऐसा लफड़ा जो ऑन ग्राउंड होता है, how do you manage? Because I think डकेट के साथ कुछ तो हो गया था.
I can still imagine. I've never ever fought in the ground.
You've never fought.
No, and that was my first ever moment.
What had happened?
It was just him giving it. I was very hungry that game to win that game, to create a difference in that game. So I feel it was more about the, how can I say, again what I spoke about, the hunger to win the game, the intensity. In that intensity I got angry. When I went out, he said something, I don't remember. I got out, then he said something, that time I lost it.
Bro, तब तो
Then I had
दुख
to-
भी हो रहा है ना. You're hurt also, no? That right now why you have to say this?
Correct, exactly. But he's doing his job to win the game.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
I'm doing my job to win the game. I mean, nothing personal, but you have to show up and have that hunger.
What did you tell him? Did you end up saying something back to him, which was
I think I said, you don't tell me what to do. I
Yeah.
know what to do, something like
Nice.
that. But I got out anyways. There's no point in saying anything now. So I just walked off.
yeah, it's one of those tricky spaces. How do you battle? वैसे देखा जाए तो मेरे टाइम पे हम प्रॉपर मिलेनियल्स ना, तो हम लोग के लिए आशीष नेहरा भाई क्रेजी थे. His whole even run away after he took a wicket was something that we would do.
That's
Bro,
this, yeah.
full. Again one goes on. So, what is it like? How is he?
Ashupa is such a very special person in my life, in so many people's life, in all the GT family, where he just sets the mood. He just sets the intensity of the whole,
But is he
stage.
fun or is he like
He's so much fun.
really?
Yeah. He's very much fun. He talks like he's like your elder brother. He talks like, how can I say, like a godfather only he talks. We have a lot of fun. We sing songs, we play old music, we sit and we just enjoy the experience.
देखो भाई हम लोग सिग्नल पे आ गए हैं तो एक रेड हॉट टेक ले लेते हैं.
Uh,
These are just like you need to tell me honestly what you feel, okay?
yeah,
Okay, first word DRS.
risk.
Risk.
It's risky for batters, no?
Yeah, bro. I mean, you all know, no, when it is flicked or it is touched, you know.
Yeah, most of the time we know. Sometimes it's like, if it's very, very fine, we don't know, but most of the time we know.
Yeah. So then why
And
agree? You
that
should tell
time-
the captain, mat le, bhai.
It's like that 1% chance where something happens.
Luck.
So that, we get an extra chance. It's that.
That's true.
But it's not possible with this technology, no?
It is so accurate,
Yeah,
bro.
it's very accurate.
How far is the ground?
The ground,
We're going to
we have to
Anton,
check.
no?
Alfonso. ALFONSO, I think. Alfonso.
हाँ ये तो मैंगो वाला अल्फोंसो हो गया ना. Is it the ground is called Alfonso?
Yeah, Alfonso ground. Alfonso, I don't remember. Of
आ
course.
गया bro, लगा दो. Set test destination.
Perfect.
Right. मस्त है ना, इंफोटेनमेंट स्क्रीन आपकी इधर से लेके उधर तक वो अपना भाई कर लेगा खुद से. भाई लोग चेन्नई वाले लोग आना, मचास, मचीज, एवरीबडी वाचिंग जो ये ग्राउंड में खेले हैं बताओ मेरे को. You know, these guys have started a battery as a service thing. So
Wow,
basically,
okay.
you don't have to buy the whole car up front. As you drive, the number of kilometers you can pay for it.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, it's crazy. I love when. So it's called BAS. Like have you heard of SaaS? Like software as a service.
Oh.
Like that you can get BAS, battery as a service.
So you have to pay for how much ever you drive.
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
That's
Interesting.
perfect, no?
The route guidance will start now.
How are you in studies?
Not bad.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. Yeah. I love accounting. You can take a left here actually.
ये तो पूरा चेन्नई आपको पूरा रटा रहेगा ना. You really know all the roads, no?
Yeah.
We'll play Minale, bro. I've heard you hum
Wow.
the song.
Yeah.
I am more Surya and Harris Jayaraj Garu.
Nice.
Yeah. I am New York Nagaram guy.
Very good.
Yeah, bro. That too Tamil version, not Telugu version.
Telugu version. That is so hit songs, bro.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah.
What a guy. But after you, there are people who have written. Who's here after listening to Sai Sudarshan sing Minale? You know that?
I didn't know.
Yeah, on that music video, there are comments which say this only.
Seriously?
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
But
I'm a very big singer, you know.
yeah.
I'm a proper bathroom singer. I enjoy singing, but it's just very difficult for people to
Fathom.
Yeah.
Here.
hear it.
Seriously बोल रहा है भाई आदमी ये सब चीजें. Okay, let's play it, bro. What is there? We have to, because we have the opportunity of having a signal. I can do this.
Oh my god.
We have crazy Bose speakers that we've come with.
You know the song, no?
Yeah, bro. To dance also. He does something like this. No, like this he
It's a
does.
very beautiful song.
Yeah, bro.
And it's very famous.
Sing, bro. Go for it.
No. எங்கோ போனதும். And it's a very meaningful song also.
Yeah, bro.
Whenever I play these songs, no, in the car, my mom will be like, "What are you doing? Why are you playing love songs?"
Why?
No, she's very
Strict, huh?
strict.
Damn, son. So you never had a girlfriend or what?
No, I've never had a girl.
Whoa, bro. Straight
Yeah.
marriage now. You'll
I
do.
think so. I don't know what God has planned for me, but I think it's also important to. It's also a very important chapter in our life. So
But once you wore the jersey or jerseys, you didn't get female attention or what?
I've had a lot of fans.
Yeah.
I've just kept it
Cordial.
cordial. Yeah, right word.
But all the best, bro. Whenever you find somebody, I wish you all the best. And
Thank
girls,
you.
call him. Do you check your DMs?
Not really.
No?
Sometimes,
Ayyo.
very rare, but
देखो DM करके रखने का.
whenever I check, I'll check.
Yeah, perfect, bro. This is good. But tell me, there was this moment where your style was being commented by Hardik Bhai. So he took your shades. There is one reel I've seen.
Yeah.
And I like what you said. I want to ask you where you get that confidence. But you said मैं पहना हूँ इसलिए सुंदर लगा. तो वो exchange और banter कैसा होता है?
I think Hardik Bhai is kind of a big brother because when I first played for an IPL team, he was the captain.
Correct.
And he actually broke the ice for me.
अरे वाह.
Yeah, so that helped me to ease out with him, and thanks to him because he did that. I would have never done that.
Interesting. Yeah, if you have to now start talking about food, let's get into serious business, bro. Like, what are your top go-to places in Chennai?
My top go-to places would be Sangeeta,
Yeah.
and there's a place called Manjal.
Manjil.
Yeah, it's basic. Manjal means turmeric in Tamil.
Ah, okay.
So that place is really good.
Nice.
And if you want proper South Indian meals,
Yeah.
probably a lot of people would know this place. It's called Maris.
Maris.
Yeah, it's a hotel Maris. It's a very beautiful place.
Biryani spaces? Where do you get best biryani here?
There's few places. It's called Dindigul Talapakatti Biryani. That is my favorite in terms of biryani. But there are so many good places, bro.
Like example, अब तो बस foodie आदमी है भाई, ये बहुत बड़ा foodie आदमी
There's
है.
a place called Bilal. There we are going today because that's my favorite tea spot also.
Let's go to Bilal.
I think I'm a big sweet tooth. Desserts,
So like
gulab jamun,
oof.
things like that.
So like just gulab jamun or gulab jamun with ice cream?
Gulab jamun with ice cream,
Bro, vanilla or chocolate?
vanilla.
जितने लोगों ने नहीं खाया ना, please ये combination try करो.
Over the years, these are the sacrifices I think I've made, and food is such a thing where we love so many things, but we have to keep it in moderation.
Yeah, bro. Bro, that warm, nice, cool cushion, that's by Hyundai Genuine Accessories by Mobis.
Perfect.
In the city,
Hmm.
what inspired you? Like, What are the things that the city gives you?
I feel most of the things I do is very South Indian Chennai thing.
Yeah.
Being meticulous on things, being religious, being spiritual. I think South India has so much of that. Even things like eating, journaling. I think all these things come from this South Indian culture is what I feel.
You're a crazy journaling human, I've heard, yeah?
Yeah.
Every
Journal a
single
lot.
detail you'll write.
Yeah, I'll write a lot of things. I've started writing now also like diaries.
Yeah.
Like for example, if I do Bombay journey diaries,
Yeah.
how I felt.
Nice.
It's just like this is the ground.
Oh, superb.
It's just like it helps me to put my thoughts. I think we'll go there, that corner. It's easy because there'll be a lot of people.
Perfect. I've heard आप हर एक पारी, हर एक बॉल के बारे में भी लिख देते हो कई बार.
ऐसा नहीं, actually it was the first game I think against England in England. I watch the game very seriously. I like watch a lot of videos. I prepare and do things like that. So because I was playing number 3 that game. So I had to watch. I was watching every single ball. I felt I got tired even before getting it. So my goal, what I did was to draw and to keep my mind busy, yet be focused.
Nice.
So I was drawing. I was not journaling about every ball. Actually, I was drawing all
ये
the logos.
डूडलर है आदमी. ये एक नोटबुक लेके आना अपनी. एक अभी डूडल कराते लाइव. इनसे ला मेरे को दे दे. मैं सेल्फी की तरह बात करूंगा इनसे अभी. Bro, we are
It
vlogging on
makes
the
me
Bombay
feel that
journey suddenly.
I'm a vlogger now.
Yeah, come bro. Tell us about this ground and
So
what you
this
would do here.
ground, we used to stay like 2 minutes away, the next street,
Huh.
when I was very young. So we used to come here, like around 4:35 in the morning. There'll be nobody now. There's so much crowd. Sunday they are playing a lot of games. But these small lights, can you see?
Yeah.
Those lights will only be on around 5 o'clock, 5:15. So me and my dad used to come. We used to play a few balls here. This was when I just started to play, when I got interest of the sport. But here it started with playing with tennis ball. Then we slowly started playing with cricket ball.
But crazy. आप आर्टिस्ट और आर्ट अभी बनेगा देखिए guys. अभी देखते हैं साई. You can put it here bro. We'll give you full
Okay,
platform.
what do you want me to draw?
This ground.
Show me something. Yeah, bro, I'm not you doodle artist cannot draw a...
Random scenery.
Yeah, I cannot. I need it in my phone. Then I can
खोलो
draw.
आप दिखाओ भाई आपको जो मन करे. ये हमको पहली बार ऐसा मिल रहा है देखिए बॉम्बे जर्नी चेन्नई एडिशन पे. अभी तक हमने नहीं किया ऐसा सब कभी भी. देखो गाइस चेन्नई में भी रिक्शा वालों की कहानियां हैं तो अभी हम जानेंगे भाई से ड्रॉ करते करते. आप कभी रिक्शा वाले के साथ लड़ाई हुआ?
लड़ाई नहीं, but मेरा favorite है रिक्शा. Wherever I go, no. Even now, whenever I go out, if it's not so far, I'll always take a rickshaw.
क्या बात है?
Yeah, my
is
mom
just
is
easy.
against it, but
या भाई मम्मियाँ इतनी प्रोटेक्टिव क्यों होती हैं?
पता नहीं.
2 व्हीलर से गिर जाओगे लग जाएगी, कोई आके ठोक देगा. रिक्शा में भी कोई हो जाएगा कुछ. ऐसा सब टेंशन रहता है मम्मियों को.
Sid bro, tell me one thing. We had so much time in the car. We are standing outside. You are telling me to doodle it now.
Bro, this is the beauty of life.
What's the
This shot is the beauty, bro.
Wow.
You
Okay.
are a देसी इंडियन लेवल क्रिकेटर. जर्सी पहनता है आदमी, रेड बॉल में किल करता है, क्रेजी नंबर चेज करता है. लेकिन हम लोग ग्राउंड के आगे खड़े हैं, बस गाड़ी पार्क करके डूडल कर रहे हैं.
ये मेरा बढ़िया कहानी है. ये
है ना?
आज for my
जर्नल.
journal. Are you into video games, Sid?
I am. But I
Nice.
was more of a CS guy, bro.
I play FIFA.
Really?
Yeah.
You're a pro. Good. You're good at it.
There's a thing called Ultimate Team.
Yeah.
So it's like you build your own team, you build your own players, you buy them, you trade them, you build coins. So bro, it's very
It's intense, bro. What
it's
are you
very
talking?
intense. It's time consuming also.
बता दो भाई चलो हॉट टेक रोनाल्डो वर्सेस मेसी.
Ronaldo.
बोल दिया भाई ने रोनाल्डो बोल
Because
दिया.
मेरा भाई को भी वो बहुत पसंद है.
अच्छा, so ये बहुत
कौन है
रोनाल्डो.
वो? आप बताओ. आप जो you
Like I have to guess
Guess.
or what? The latest guy. Are you talking about a young guy?
no. मेरा भाई एक पर्सन को पसंद है वो.
आप ही बताओ भाई. We don't know. This is vague territory. विराट भाई को भी रोनाल्डो पसंद है?
नहीं, मेरा टीम में है वो.
आपके टीम में शुभमन को?
नहीं, सिराज.
सिराज को कौन पसंद है?
मियाँ भाई को बहुत रोनाल्डो पसंद है.
सिराज भाई आपको तब से बुला रहे ले आ जाओ भाई जरा. हम लोग शो पे बुलाते रहते हैं भाई ऐसा सबको
अच्छा।
मैनिफेस्टेशन वी आर डन एंड
Decent, bro. This is
a
not
rickshaw.
great. It's decent.
This is not sign
Bro,
artist
this is what I have done when I
See,
had my right
देखो,
equipments.
ये है
When I had my sketching pen.
so
and
2B
all
4B
these
pencil
things.
and all of that
Huh?
you take 2B pencil 4B pencil
Yeah,
ऐसा
2B, 4B and outliners and all. And इधर टेबल भी नहीं है तो थोड़ा
shit. ये रिक्शा को
Auto
आगे से किसी
थोड़ा
ने दबा
एक side
दिया
ऊपर गया।
अब साइन करो भाई ये मैं रखूंगा फ्रेम करके ये
थैंक यू
नाइस It's an EV, so it won't make a sound when it comes on. I just press it with that.
Oh, press it with that.
Yeah.
The button.
It came on. That's the beauty of an EV, bro.
Perfect. Let's go.
See, we are looking at Vijay Garu, so we have to talk about that meeting you had with Vijay Garu.
His
Vijay
house
Garu.
is also here only.
Really?
Yeah, it's this.
What this? Really? Like,
Yeah.
legit this very house?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, bro, मैं तो
I
ऐसे
met him
बोला.
here only.
Crazy. This building right here.
Yeah,
Ramaswamy.
yeah. Azure.
Wow, bro.
Yeah.
So like, was that a dream come true moment?
Yes, of course. It was a great experience meeting him. And we've always loved his movies and we always
Bro.
loved the style.
What a guy. But is he like a really humble fellow?
He's a very humble person. You cannot listen, you can also not hear also what he speaks. You have to go closer to him.
Really?
Yeah.
Very soft spoken, huh?
Yeah, very, very soft spoken. Very soft spoken. But good experience. I enjoyed
Nice.
the meeting and we spoke for some time. He had great fond of cricket. His son is a very big fan.
Yeah.
He plays the sport and he's a very big fan of cricket.
Nice.
Yeah.
Whenever you want to bug out, you can, bro. 0 to 100, 7.9 seconds.
Wow, solid it goes.
है ना?
Yeah.
It's a...
Strong.
It sits, bro, because EV, no? So there's a bedrock of, in the chassis, you'll have your battery.
Wow.
So the center of gravity sits here. Even though it's an SUV, it drives pretty rock solid seated into the...
Nice. It's quick.
It's quick. That's the beauty of it, and charges also very fast.
Have you put Bilal?
No, bro. I thought you knew Bilal. So I've...
No, this one road I want to understand.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
We will search for it.
Bilal. Yeah. Bilal.
गंभीर भाई कितने गंभीरली ट्रेन करते हैं भाई?
मतलब गंभीरली मतलब क्या है?
Was he like a very strict and like a serious human being?
Actually, he's definitely strict, but I feel he backs the players very well. I feel he gives them that level of support and what can I say? Level of support and that freedom.
Yeah.
Because I feel once he came and spoke to me something very similar to this. He just express yourself. He was just giving me that sense of freedom. He just gave me that sense of feel that you belong here. So that made me feel really good.
And why he sits always so serious, yaar? Whenever cameras will go on him, I'm like, bhai.
No, I think Gigi sir is just a very patriotic person,
Yeah.
very intense person in whatever he does.
Yeah.
I think it's because of that. If he wants to win the game, he's all in, he's intense. I think it's just the way of him showing his intensity out, maybe.
Who's the most disciplined guy?
The most disciplined guy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Even during your test series, you can tell us like from the squad also, from there also.
So I feel from the squad, I think it's Nitish Kumar Reddy, I would say, because the level of he's also very meticulous in things. He takes care of every single thing. I
Yeah.
feel he's well disciplined.
And who's the bigger foodie than you?
Who's the bigger foodie than me? I'm thinking.
Oh, it can be your foodie partner also. Like, किसको बुलाओगे आप जाने के लिए? भाई चल जाके खा के आते हैं करके.
I think Washi.
Yeah?
Yeah.
किधर जाने का आप लोग?
We have gone to a lot of places, but the biggest foodie is I think Washi only because he also loves food, South Indian foodie. Actually, he loves a lot of cuisines, but he's a very big foodie. I'll show you my school.
Yeah, bro.
Luckily, we are coming in this road. It's a very historic school, if I may
bro.
say that. So many Indian cricketers have played from this school.
क्या बात है?
Yeah.
मस्त लेकिन ये बड़ा शहर
Even one of our GT coaches is also from this school only,
What are you
Ashish
talking?
Kapoor ji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you all discuss teachers or what? वो teacher
Kapoor ji is quite old for that. He's very old. So
जितने GT के लोग देख रहे हैं, staff, everybody please let us know in the comments भाई की क्या कहानियाँ हैं. आइए हमारा लास्ट सेगमेंट खत्म करते हैं जिसका नाम है ड्राइविंग डाउन मेमोरी लेन. Which is the first thing you remember when your mother put you into like a certain shape or...
So when she used to pick and drop me and all
Yeah.
in scooter, she always used to hit my stomach like she'll hit my stomach like this. She'll say activate the stomach.
क्या है
So it's
भाई
just
इसका
that
मतलब क्या हुआ?
I don't know the exact scientific thing, but one thing I know is like it corrects your posture. Like you have to, like, yeah,
So
you
as soon as
basically
I made it tight.
yeah, you'll stand tall.
Wow.
Your spine is straight. That's the reason I think.
Bro, driving down memory and you keep thinking of you were being very short. So what changed? How you became so tall?
So once I got embarrassed where this is actually a different answer, but I'll connect to your question.
Please.
I got embarrassed that I was not able to do even one pull-up in my life. Like when I was 16, 17, I think, I was not able to do one pull-up also. So that day I took a call that, no, I am going to, improve this and I am going to start doing pull-ups. Maybe that had helped. I think they say, I don't know whether it's a myth or a real thing where if you do pull-ups, if you hang,
Yeah.
that you'll grow taller. Maybe that had helped me, I think.
Bro, I also agree. Because my parents made me hang on these monkey bars so much. फालतू में monkey bars they would take me to.
Wow.
But I loved monkey bars, bro. पहला हाथ छिला तभी मजा आया ना. Like you know those.
सही है.
You know what I mean. भाई तुम्हारा तो पूरा छिला हुआ है यार. दिखाओ हाथ दिखाओ लोगों को. क्या बात है. It's rough.
It's rough. It's easy to catch the balls also.
Yeah, no.
It's easy to catch when it's rough. If it's soft, it'll pain.
But like, what is the worst like kind of rigorous Max Pro day of training that you've had? Like, what do you remember?
So most of the days when I'm in Chennai, it'll be like that only.
Really?
Yeah, I used to bat. Not used to. I still bat like 5-6 hours a day.
Continuous.
Not continuous. I'll just take 2 hour. Like I'll bat 2 hours. I'll take a break. I'll bat 2 hours. I'll take a break. I'll take a lunch break. Then I'll bat 2 hours. Then I'll finish the day. So I think the rigorous sessions will be like that. I'll bat for 6 hours in a day, and I'll do that for 3-4 days.
Shubman as a captain, how is his captainship?
Oh, I've been enjoying it really well, to be
Yeah.
honest. And again, as a captain, as a leader, it's to me personally, it's very important to give that to build that trust, to
Yeah.
buy that trust. So I feel that Shubman has done it really well, and the level of freedom and the level of commitment he gives to the players is just really well.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, definitely.
Last time you had a fan experience that really like bowled you over. You thought, oh wow, this is beautiful.
So I went to one of my friend's place in Bangalore. It was a gated community, and one small kid saw me in the lift. I'd actually met him somewhere else before. He told me that I've met you before. We've also taken photos. I said, very happy, nice meeting you. So the moment I went into my friend's house, he told me, Sai, there are like 20-30 kids outside. And I was doing something, so I told them I'll come in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You know what they did? They had gone to that, so that gated community had like a turf, to play cricket, to play football, the multi-sport thing. So they stood in the line, they waited for me to come, and they met me, and they were like, when I entered that place, so they were all shouting.
Arey, kya baat hai.
So I really enjoyed it. Like I felt really good.
Beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
This is such a
And I feel it's
pleasant experience.
I feel it's the, how can I say, as I told, these are the small things which, make you more hungry and
Yeah.
make you, feel really good about things.
Nice, bro. What was the last time last time when you tweaked your breakfast? Is there a consistent breakfast you've had for a while?
Breakfast.
Is there a breakfast routine basically?
Yeah, I have a breakfast routine.
Okay.
So basically I love South Indian.
Nice.
So I always have a South Indian breakfast.
Upma na, pongal na,
Idli.
idli.
Yeah, idli with some eggs. So I'll have a South Indian dish definitely in my breakfast.
Nice.
So like today off late I've started having Greek yogurt and berries and stuff.
Wow.
But I'll have one piece of idli. Just for the taste.
With like get chutney, peanut chutney, or orange, like
Gedi chutney
allam
and sambar.
Yeah, get chutney.
Yeah,
Sambar.
like that.
Sambar is also so nutritious.
Nutritious, very tasty.
Yeah, bro. Do you have like a master story, Sachin and you?
Oh yeah. Yes, Sachin Paji story I have.
Please tell.
I've always been a great admirer of Sachin Paji's batting. Every single thing I watch. So I got an opportunity to talk to him once.
Yeah.
And that was like one of the memorable things I've ever done with him. I've spoke about batting. I spoke about small like technical aspects of the game. But it was very kind of him to give so much time. Imagine greatest player like him talking to you for like 45-50 minutes. It's
Really?
It's just unbelievable.
He's also very soft spoken, no?
He's very soft spoken.
भाई मजेदार आदमी लगता है मेरे को वो.
You know what? Sometimes I might be boring, bro. I talk a lot about cricket with everybody. Like,
Yeah, I think that's great. Not to pick up. भाई ये क्या है ये भीड़? ये चाय के लिए भीड़ है?
ये 10% का भीड़ है.
Bro, what is happening? ये देखिए हंसते खेलते जो कंटेंट बन जाए उसी में मजा है. We'll come back and give the chai. Tell him we'll come back and give the cup.
No. Tomorrow I'll give.
अरे you that
Yesterday
like
cup also I took.
Yeah.
Yeah. No problem.
ये कितनी सुंदर चीजें देखो. कुछ चीजें मुझे नहीं समझ में आती हमारे शहरों में कैसे होती हैं.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. I'm not taking the cup and not giving it back,
No,
bro.
no, it's a good thing that they let us.
ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾ.
No,
I
it's
told
about,
him the same
it's
thing.
about doing the same thing in my. I have tokens from Mani's in Chembur.
Okay.
Yeah, token I'll give next time. Because I took idli and ate and left. Token still at home.
Wow.
What do you have to say about this place on our right that you are passing right now?
It's my favorite ground.
Yeah.
And like when we used to be children, when we used to be 11, 12 years old, no? So at that time it was old Chepauk. Now
Yeah.
they have reconstructed it. So there'll be small. I'll show you the place also. Actually,
Yes,
I'll show
please.
you the place.
Oh, so this is where the old one was?
No, like the Chepauk was the same. They
Correct.
just renovated it.
Yeah.
I'll show you one small space,
Please.
like lane where we enter actually.
Yeah.
So
Crazy
this
guy.
lane, no?
Yeah.
This lane used to be different before.
Wow.
And it takes us to the ground.
Okay.
And there'll be a small pathway.
ठीक है.
That's all reconstructed now.
Oh, shit.
So there'll be security standing on those lanes because it ends up going into the ground.
Correct.
So there we are not allowed
Yeah.
to get in. So somehow I went in, the security stopped me. I just was shouting, called my dad, just please tell them no, tell them to let me go inside the ground. So it was that emotional. I entered the ground and I just touched the ground and I came back.
Wow, man.
So and from there playing in that ground, having to somehow sneak into the stadium and being a part of this wonderful association and share memories in this ground is just I'm very grateful for all those memories and
That's good.
I hope to have a lot more. Sorry. நீ எங்க போனதும்
That's what I'm talking about.
So it actually came natural.
Yeah.
நான் இங்கே வாழ்வதும் ஒரே ஞாபகம். Okay, let me before signing off,
Yeah.
let me ask you something. What's your greatest, bro? What's your greatest ever story?
Bro, I think
From the identity point, from what you've learned, to what you've believed. I want something very
deep question you asked,
deep
bro.
question.
I was thinking while you were asking only ki now how to answer this with the same depth that you may have asked it.
Oh my God.
So the thing is, I've been within the media creative arts since my childhood, bro.
Okay.
As a child actor, photographer, videographer, cameraman, DOP, EP, director, everything. So the thing about it is influence, right? Like valuable influence. I want to be able to become big enough that if I want somebody to rally for a cause, I'm able to do that.
Wow, for a greater cause.
For a greater cause, bro. Like education, I think if we are all educated in the country, then it will be something else only.
Very nice. Wow, what a great thought behind it.
Thank you, bro.
Great intent behind it, actually.
I'm sure you inspire so many, bro. Like everybody who gets inspired by Sai, please let us know in the comments.
God
And,
willingly, we are in a position to do that. Thank you.
Sustained, bro. Touch wood. कैसा लगा भाई आपको बॉम्बे जर्नी चेन्नई एडिशन करके हमारे साथ?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. I enjoyed.
मजा आया?
And yeah, it was great fun talking to you, Sid, and had a great time. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you so much.
आप लोग please like, comment, share and subscribe and let us know what you thought and let us know where you want to eat, what. Next time we meet, then we'll do a food thing next time we meet.
100%. We'll do a proper meal kinds.
Meals,
yeah.
bro, meals.
Perfect.
Folks, that's a wrap on the Bombay journey with Sai Sudarshan. कुछ conversations में पैशन खुद एक कैरेक्टर बन जाता है और आज वही हुआ. 30 साल से हंडे इंडिया के साथ हर सफर में साथ रहा है और अब ये जर्नी चल रही है एक नई एनर्जी के साथ. हंडे क्रेटा इलेक्ट्रिक. Until next time, signing off. My name is Siddharth Alambhai.